A bus is the cheapest way to understand a city. You will be standing at a stop somewhere in Belgrade, watching numbers that mean nothing to you yet go past, and the whole problem will come down to about 6 sentences. Here they are. Let's ride in Serbian.
Gde je stanica?
Where's the stop?
Autobus dolazi.
The bus is coming.
Koji autobus ide u centar?
Which bus goes to the center? This is the whole episode in one shape.
Koji?
Means which?
Ide.
Means goes, and between them you drop whatever you are standing in front of.
Koji autobus?
Which bus?
Koji tramvaj?
Which tram?
Koji voz?
Which train? Then,
U.
and where you are headed. Learn the shape once, and you can ask it of anything with wheels.
Koji autobus ide u centar?
Which bus goes to the center?
Koji tramvaj ide na Kalemegdan?
Which tram goes to Kalemegdan?
Jednu kartu, molim.
One ticket, please.
Koliko košta karta?
How much is a ticket?
Voz polazi u 5.
The train leaves at 5.
Voz.
Is a train, and it is one of the oldest words in this episode. It comes from
Voziti.
to convey, to carry something along. The Old Slavic
Voz.
was a cart, a thing pulled by animals, centuries before rails existed. When trains arrived, Serbian handed them the cart's own name. And that route traveled everywhere. English got vehicle from the Latin branch of it, and wagon and way from the Germanic branch. Every one of those words is the same idea, carried into a different mouth.
Vozim se autobusom.
I take the bus.
Da li ovaj autobus ide do centra?
Does this bus go to the center? Serbian marks a yes or no question by opening with
Da li?
put it at the front, and the rest of the sentence stays exactly as it was.
Da li ovaj autobus ide do centra?
Does this bus go downtown?
Da li ova karta važi?
Is this ticket valid?
Da li imate kartu?
Do you have a ticket? 2 little words at the front, and a statement turns into a question.
Da li ovaj autobus ide do centra?
Does this bus go to the center?
Silazim na sledećoj stanici.
I'm getting off at the next stop.
Gde treba da presednem?
Where should I change? You met.
Treba.
Meaning is needed. Put
Gde?
in front of it, add
Da.
and a verb, and you have the politest way to ask for help in the language.
Gde treba da presednem?
Where should I change?
Gde treba da siđem?
Where should I get off?
Gde treba da kupim kartu?
Where should I buy a ticket? Serbs answer this one gladly, usually with a pointed finger.
Gde treba da presednem?
Where should I change?
Hvala, doviđenja.
Thanks, goodbye. 5 words to take with you.
Autobus. Autobus. Karta. Karta. Stanica. Stanica. Voz. Voz. Centar. Centar.
Let's hear the whole conversation again.
Još jednom. Gde je stanica? Koji autobus ide u centar? Da li ovaj autobus ide do centra? Jednu kartu, molim. Koliko košta karta? Gde treba da presednem? Silazim na sledećoj stanici. Hvala, doviđenja.
One word does double duty here, and it saves you a lot of trouble.
Stanica.
Is the bus stop on the corner and the railway station across town the same word for both? If someone tells you to get off at the third,
Stanica.
they mean the third stop, and context does the rest of the work. Belgrade runs on buses, trams, and trolleybuses rather than an underground. It is one of the larger cities in Europe without a working metro, a fact locals will bring up themselves, usually with a joke about how long the plans have been coming. What this means for you is simple. Everything is above ground, so you can see where you're going, and the numbers on the front of the vehicle are the thing to memorize. Tickets work on trust and inspectors. You buy a card or a ticket, and you validate it when you board, and nobody stops you at a gate. The inspection comes at random, from people who board like ordinary passengers. Serb call this.
Kontrola.
And the safest habit is to validate the moment you step on and forget about it. The word
Voz.
is worth one more moment. Because it started as a cart, the route turns up all over the language wherever something is carried.
Vozilo.
Is a vehicle.
Vozač.
Is a driver.
Prevoz.
Is transport itself. That last one is in the title of this lesson.
Javni prevoz.
Public transport is literally the public carrying.
Vidimo se na stanici.
See you at the stop. There's a market on this channel with its own phrases, and a bakery, and a kafana with a very old word behind its name.